when are you giving up if my truck or if your truck is driving sideways? Are you giving up to potentially not make a major accident? Like, when do you give up? Man, you know what? I'm sitting on the side of the road. My bad for coming out here. Now I put myself in danger. I don't even want to go. But y'all not going to do that. Y'all going to go ahead and mess up your vehicle or somebody else. Look at this. He's still, bruh, just give up. But he rolling. You know what he doing. Hey, bro, he rolling. Okay. Hey, if it's working for him and ain't nobody, y'all see this? Why so serious? What's going on, Serious Nation? It's your guy, Serious Mindset. We are back with another reaction video. Shout out to you all. It's December the 25th, 2023. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that great stuff. We have a great video for you all because we're going to go over the current conditions of what's going on around this good holiday season, right? You got your snow, you got your ice, you got your black ice, you got your yada, 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 yada. At the end of the day, the point is being safe on this road as you travel to and from your family, right? So again, make sure y'all be safe. If you're new to the channel, we do this special thing where we say make sure you drop that fire emoji in the comment section. I greatly appreciate it. Shout out to my veterans as well. Thank you for your service. I'm a veteran. Let's get into this classic video of accidents. Yeah, that's your typical slow down, get off the brakes. Look, right off the bat. Hey, when y'all driving in the snow, sleet, and y'all start losing control, your best bet is not to stab those brakes. Even though you think like, oh, let me hit them brakes, it's going to cause you to spin out. Your best bet is just to get off the brakes, let the tires roll, try to straighten out your wheel, don't panic. But anyway, I'm not no expert. I'm just letting you know. Why so serious? Almost had to spin out last year too. Driving up I-80. Yeah, was it I-80? I think it was I-80. I don't remember. Why so serious? Oh, say, man. Say, if y'all got that heavy tint on y'all car, boy, I do not want to drive that car at night. Because I guarantee you, it probably looks nighttime right now inside of that, what's that, a Crown Victoria? Don't do it. Oh. I hope he ain't had no presents back there, boy. Hope he didn't have no presents back there, boy. Hey, that black ice is, boy, that thing will take you out. Ooh, he spent around about 5 times. Hey, you got it, though. Oh, not the big red. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh, man. Golly. Y'all knew. 18 wheelers, here we go. Slow down. He lost it. Bow. Ooh. Bruh. That's the worst feeling ever if you lose control of that rig. Look at that. I'm telling y'all, these conditions is nothing to play around. Nothing to play around. You have, by law, what, you know, if you're at 80,000 cap, if you have a full truckload, 80, matter of fact, that was an Amazon. You don't even have that much. I think, if I stand corrected, most of these Amazon trailers, they don't have a lot in them, if I stand corrected. Let me know if I'm wrong. Drop in the comment section. Anybody that move Amazon trailers, how heavy they get, or what's the heaviest you move? Oof. Oh, slow down. Slow down. It don't look like he hit none of the brakes. Unless his brakes don't work. Bridges. Oh. Bridges are the worst. Man, I'm telling y'all, bridges are notorious for black ice. It will wipe you out. You hear me? Wipe you out. Mustang. Boom. Rear wheel drive. Oof. Yeah, you got that accident dent on there. See, the most important thing that I can say about these videos is they show you that it doesn't have to deal with another vehicle. It's specifically you as the driver. That means making sure that your tires are properly inflated. That means that you can see off your side mirrors, your rearview mirror. Make sure you don't have no obstruction in the windows. But y'all common folk is not going to check that regularly. And I get it. That's cool. Everybody want to get in and go. That's cool. Oh, he trying to avoid this car. Oh, is he going to make it? Oh, that was close. He didn't hit it back. Oh, that was close. Is that another vehicle right here? Oh, it is. I know he mad. Oh, I know he mad. He like, God. You can see the way their head move. Look. Watch this. Watch when they hit that barricade. Watch they move. They're all right, though. There wasn't no bad impact. No airbags came out. Oh, this is an old video. That quality is, whew. Oh, it's just the camera. That's not an old video because that's a newer charger. Somebody camera quality is trash, but that charger out the game, rear wheel drive. Let me look. Rear wheel drive vehicles is not y'all friend in the snow, sleet, all that. So you already have a disadvantage when you pull off. So why you speeding? I'm just asking a question. Why you speeding? Speeding in the snow. And it's mostly been a lot of pickups and SUVs, which is weird. In this video, look, pickup truck. Oh, he hitting on, he holding on those brakes. Oh, icy. Y'all see? Hold on, wait a minute. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. Look at the sun, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. We gonna get the sign up in here. We gonna get the sign for this thumbnail. Look at the sign. Icy conditions may exist. Ooh, that look like Minnesota. Oh, like when do you give up? Like, honestly, like, when are you giving up if my truck or if your truck is driving sideways? Are you giving up to potentially not make a major accident? Like, when do you give up? Man, you know what? I'm sitting on the side of the road. My bad for coming out here. Now I put myself in danger. I don't even want to go. But y'all not going to do that. Y'all going to go ahead and mess up your vehicle or somebody else. Look at this. He's still, bruh, just give up. But he rolling. You know what he doing. Hey. Bro, he rolling. Okay. Hey, if it's working for him and ain't nobody. Y'all see this? Hey. Hey, he holding on to the steering wheel tight. He not moving. Ooh, oh, he got them guns. Look at this. Man, it's dangerous at night. Look at that. And they still going like ain't no problem. Oh, right in front of the cop. Oh, shout out to the XPO driver. It looked like he didn't hit him. Shout out to that XBO driver that didn't hit that crazy four-wheeler that just decided to swerve off in front of the cops. Shout out to you, Mr. Mr. XBO driver. Jesus Christ. That could have been bad for him. Bridge. Yeah, you gotta stop. Get your heart right. I know. Oh, during the broad daylight. It's gotta be that semi. Look how fast he going. Oh, did he save it? Did he get it? Oh, it had to be some black ice right there. Oh, with the Hino tow truck. Look, I can see it right here. Look at that. You got, oh, probably a little bit right there too. Oh, watch it. Is he pulling off? Just slow down, stop. Yup. Take it slow. I don't know why people don't take it slow during these times. Oh, he dancing. Another truck. Another pickup truck at that. Where you going? Just stop, man. What you doing? He embarrassed? He embarrassed. Man, forget this freeway. I ain't getting on this freeway. It's too slippery. On the freeway. Oh my God. Do y'all see that? The snow is stacked heavy on that freeway. They ain't snow plowed that freeway in a minute. Oh, we still got this car here. Oh, with the new Corolla. New Corolla? Come on now. Come on now. Black ice is notorious at night. Notorious, if y'all didn't know that. Oh, look like a Camaro. Is that old buddy that was driving sideways? Nah, that ain't him. Somebody trying to steal his motion. Like just give up. Like if your car is not able to operate in the snow, like what do you now you're more taking a chance not only on yourself but other people around you to potentially have an insurance claim. And look at him in a box truck, bro. With the good old Christmas wreath, bro. Come on, dog. I would give myself enough room to avoid this Mustang, cause bruh, 2-wheel drive in the snow. Oh, you already missing the eye, bruh. Oh, you be missing the tail end. Oh, I know they was nervous. Look, watch this. Watch out for road conditions. Y'all pay attention to them signs. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh, with the fat tires, with the mud grabbler tires. Come on, dog. You embarrassing yourself. Oh, no. You ain't got no type of digital suspension on that old truck. Just go slow. Look at him. He think he bad, too. With the mud grabbler tires. You don't see how that thing's spinning? Look like he trying to show off. I was about to say, you better release that rear brake. Look, black ice. Look at that. Even the officer slide. Bruh, look. If your officer is out here sliding while trying to make sure y'all don't injure yourself, if he slide, you're in the wrong area. I'm just saying, I would want to be in that area where my officer is sliding. Slow it down. JB Hunt. Oh, you brake too hard. You brake too hard. Oh, did he get it in there? He still made it? Oh, he still made it. Look at this. Oh, now you really stuck. Oh. Where are y'all going? Let me look. If y'all know the road conditions are this bad and y'all could potentially have a chance to wipe out, where are y'all going? Who y'all trying to see? Come on now. Is it worth it to take that chance? You mean to tell me you didn't prepare for this storm? Or you didn't know? Bruh. All pickup trucks, y'all. That wind blowing too. And then he didn't even stop. He's still rolling. Ran the stop sign. Look at him. Look at old buddy. He ain't panicking. Look at him. He ain't panicking. Oh, he whipping that thing. All right, buddy. Hey. All right, buddy. He ain't scared. Y'all. He. Go back, watch it. You'll see it. Go back, watch it. You'll see it. Oh, that's where that truck went off. Oh, same spot. Oh, don't do it. Slow down. Officer's also telling y'all to slow down. Slow y'all butt down. Semi is right here still. Look, oh, look at him. What is that? Is that a straight truck? Remember, they still got the cops on the side. Sheesh. Oh. Oh, he Bob. Is he Bob telling? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey, if you Bob telling, you already know. You already got a disadvantage anyway because you don't have nothing hitched behind you. Ooh. I thought this Ron, how you pronounce it? Ron. I thought he was going to give us some. Ooh. All right, don't do it to his ram. Don't embarrass his ram. Don't do it, buddy. Then you have them stendo mirrors. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, you got that brand new GNC, bro. Oh, big embarrassing. Oh, you couldn't handle it. You couldn't handle it. Can't. You couldn't handle it. You can't handle the truth. Car still right here. And they still flying. Got the GMC. Now we're going for a Chevy. Ooh. You got this It's rigged. Don't do it. You got that rig behind you. Don't do it. That box truck flying. That box truck flying. I can spot a box truck. Oh, oh, oh. What is he doing? What happened to that box truck, y'all? Oh, he right there too. Is that a box truck? That look nice. Turn the wheel. Ooh, that is bad. Jesus. Y'all see how heavy that snow coming down? And then you got people like that that do some idiot stuff. Idiot. Look, idiot. Slow down. I gotta get it. I gotta get there. I gotta get there. Oh. Was he moving? I don't know, was he moving or not? Oh, you can tell it's about to go down. Well, it went down on the other side. Look, see? There you go. You being nosy. Stop being nosy. Oh, not the officer. Oh, the officer. Oh, not the officer. Oh, bruh. See? Primary example. I told you. If it can't continue, then stop. You should have stopped as soon as you pulled off from whenever you pulled off at. Oh, man, they spinning. They just spinning and spinning and spinning. Oh, we got another spinner. Oh, man. We spinning. Oh, you're spinning. Oh, all right, come on, Charger. What you got? What you got? What you got? What you got? Oh, okay. I see you. All right, what's this, Saturn? Come on, what you got, Saturn? Oh, I got it. Oh, come on, Ram. We got this. We got this. Yeah. Yeah, we sideways with it. Yes, sir. Oh, they finally came with the Goon Squad. The Goon Squad has arrived. Shout out to the Goon Squad cleaning it up. Y'all better respect them people with them plows on the front. Because they putting their life on the line. Watching out for y'all crazies. They sitting over here doing some crazy stuff. Jesus Christ. Go ahead and clean it up, man. Hey, but that's the end of the video. Shout out to you all that's been watching. I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you feel like it, if you want to, whatever, whoop-de-woo. At the end of the day, stay motivated, stay serious. Why so serious?
Let's get it, man.